complete waxing kit, and I want you to go ahead, and while we go ahead and do a voiceover, we're going to talk about the items that we have right here. Look at here. Talking about that hot wax from Tress Wellness. Yes, in this box right here is magic, bling. Best believe in this box right here is everything that you need to get a perfect wax job done. There is some hard wax and tea tree. Those beads there come in the box, also in eucalyptus. These hard wax beads. Eucalyptus is my favorite, by the way. You get your waxing popsicle sticks. In this box here, you get a large pair and a smaller one. You get some more wax beads in lavender, very relaxing scent. And then you get some more in lemon. Now, lemon is a very refreshing scent. Just to set the mood, you might want to do it in peppermint. What else is in this magic box here? Oh man, now this right here is the after wax spray. You put that on after you're finished. I should have done that in reverse, but you also get it in the pre-wax spray. This is the paper collar that you put around the warmer. And if you can, follow them on their Instagram and Facebook. If you need instructions, you won't get lost. They got your back with instructions. Now this is where the magic begins, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Your removable pot. This is your adjustable temperature digital gauge here. You take your removable pot and you can place your paper collar around the removable pot so that it is a secure fit and it can help with the cleanup of the wax. Go ahead and push that down to make sure it's secure. There you go. Now that top right on there, isn't that beautiful? We about to get down to business, ladies and gentlemen. This is the complete assembly of the warmer. Okay, now I guess we ready. Let's go ahead and turn on that warmer, baby. Turn it up, turn it up, turn on that warmer. You can turn it all the way up to 257. Now, I decided to turn it all the way up. Now, while you are waiting for it to heat up, it will signal you and let you know where it is in the warming process if you pay attention to the digital display. Top off and let's get down to it. You pick which beads you want to start with, and I decided to pick what? Eucalyptus, because it smells so good to me and it's so relaxing. So you go ahead and pour those into the little bucket there. Go ahead and pour those into your removable pot. Make sure you get all in there. Oh yeah, get all of them in there, girl. Get every last one of them in there. And you're gonna let that warm up. As it's warming up, go ahead and stir it from time to time with one of those popsicle sticks that they gave you. They came in the complete box, the complete kit, honey. Yes. Now while it's warming up, I go ahead and just put that top back on there. Let it go ahead and cook on down. Pay attention to your digital display because as you can see, the numbers are going up and up and up. So whatever degree that you decided to put it on, it'll go from there. Now this is what it's supposed to look like when you are all done melting your wax to be in. Yes. Look at that. Look like liquid gold, honey. looking nasty on the hair right there. So I'm going to take that wax, that lovely wax, and go ahead and just put it right on where the hair is. You want to make sure that your hair is at least 1/4 long. It has to be long enough to actually wax. Go ahead and place that on to your designated spot of where you want that hair to be removed. So you put it on there and try your best not to make too much of a mess. But listen, you in your own home. So if you make a mess, hey, ain't nobody business but your own. So you go ahead and put that wax on there. I put 2-3 coats on because I just wanted to make sure I get that hair off. And there you go. As you can once again, boom, snatch. And once you're done, you go ahead and put that after wax spray on, and it leaves your skin feeling smooth and moisturized. Like I said, this is an awesome product. It is an awesome, I love the hard wax. The spray, let's not even talk about the spray. The spray was off the chain. It would left my skin and my the area where I actually was waxed at very soft, very soft. This is better than a spa treatment because you get to take your time. It doesn't cost that much money, your initial cost of buying it, but you're in the comfort of your own home, getting yourself together all day, every day. Heck, you can even wax your own brows. You know what I'm saying? Your cha-cha, all that in the comfort of your own home. I'm just saying, this is an awesome product. If you haven't picked it up yet, what you waiting on? What you waiting on? It's on Amazon. What you waiting on? Man, let me just say, I love the different smells or different, fragrances of each bead. You know what I'm saying? You have peppermint, eucalyptus, lemon. Awesome. Awesome. This is an awesome product. If you want to get it, babe, go ahead and check out that link below. I believe they can give you a little discount. Hey, do what you got to do. Because in this quarantine time, we don't know when they're going to shut down the shops again. You're going to need this. You're going to need this. Definitely. All right, guys. This is your Black China doll coming in with... This video has been sponsored by Tress Wellness. Complete wax kit. You guys check it out. Thank you so much. And if you haven't yet, rate and subscribe. I want you to hit a likey like for your girl. All right.